friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the 90 Hz display of the Realme 6 versus the 90 Hz display of the Realme X2 Pro device. So in this video, I'll be playing the one of the game which actually do supports the 90 Hz refresh rate, and I'll be comparing side by side, friends, how the frame rate is maintained throughout the game. And before starting the video, friends, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of the Realme 6 phone, even for the Realme X2 Pro as well. So you can find plenty of useful videos, friends. Every day I'll be trying to do plenty of videos, so doing different comparison and lot of tests. So if you're interested, you can take a look at the videos, friends, which I uploaded recently. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can check the links in description for the Instagram page, and do message me in the Instagram, friends, if you have any doubts regarding any smartphones. Don't forget to like my page, friends. So I'll be posting plenty of camera samples as well in my YouTube in my Instagram page. So you can ask me the questions in the Instagram, and I'll be replying to you all, friends. And let's get started with this test. So the game, which is called the Gateway 2, so which is actually 90 Hz supported, friends, at the moment. And before starting the video, let me show you another thing in the settings to enable the option. So go into the display and let me check the refresh rate, how much it is. As you can see, friends, the refresh rate is 90 Hz, and even in the Realme 6 as well, I set to the 90 Hz. So both the phones are having same kind of refresh rate. Let me try to open the game, and let me try to play the game. And before that, let me show you the what is the FPS, real-time FPS. As you can see, friends, in the Realme X2 Pro, you can see the real-time FPS, but here you cannot see. So don't worry, friends, you need to just to touch the game, and then definitely the FPS meter will be on. So let me try playing the game. So a similar kind of incident, it occurred twice, friends, where the FPS meter doesn't work. So then I need to close the game and reopen the game. So then the FPS meter works fine. So let me try to check now. As you can see, friends, right now it's working fine, and you can compare side by side, friends, exactly at the moment both phones, how they are performing. So in terms of FPS, so you can see the Realme X2 Pro is 81, and here is 80. So let me try to open the settings and let me check the graphics. It's 100%. So let me try to start the game, friends. Let me try to show you the FPS, how much it is currently. As you can see, friends, 89, 80, 84. So in the Realme 6, I noticed one thing is that it's not high FPS, friends, every time. So it's trying to maintain below 80 sometimes. So whereas in the Realme X2 Pro, I noticed that the FPS will be always remain close to the 89 and 90 FPS throughout the time. And now let me try playing the game and show you the difference what I'm talking about. So do subscribe to my channel, friends, for more videos. So similarly like this, I'll be doing plenty of videos. So this is a pretty good game, friends. If you are using any 90 Hz or 120 refresh rate, then definitely you can try this kind of game. Let me show you the FPS, how much it is right now. So this is the most frustrating part, that sometimes the FPS meter doesn't come properly. As you can see, friends, even I'm swiping, sometimes it doesn't work properly, friends, in the Realme X2 in the Realme 6 device. So whereas in the Realme X2 Pro, it works pretty fine. As you can see, whenever I swipe, so now you observe, friends, at the moment how much it's maintaining the FPS meter. So 79, 77, friends, that's it. It's not going above 80. That is the one thing which I noticed here. As you can see even going to 68 FPS. But whereas in the Realme X2 Pro, this is not the case. As you can see, friends, 89, 88. So it also depends on the processor, friends, what you are having in the device. So even that also matters in terms of using this kind of high FPS frame rates. So overall, this is the one thing which I got. My doubt was cleared that FPS in the Realme 6 is slightly lower than the Realme X2 Pro, friends, and it can support 90 refresh rate. There is no doubt in that, but the processor is not that much capable enough to maintain the continuous, consistent in terms of maintaining FPS. So which you have seen in the Realme X2 Pro device. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. iTech. If you have any doubts, don't forget to message me in the Instagram. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.